Good morning. Out here filming for Maggie this morning. Minnesota snow in the end of April. It's craziness. We've got a couple roosted way up here on this high ridge. It's windy up there, so I think they're gonna come down to the valleys. There's a little field down below them here that we're sneaking up on. It's a little later in the day because we slept in because we just got back from Kentucky late last night, but it's still early. It's still, I don't know, 6 a.m. 6:30, somewhere in that range. There's Maggie. We've got the camera. We've got the 410 for her. Let's go try and call in a turkey on this field. Where is he? Shoot him. Okay, go. Just wait for him to go back down. Put the safety on. He's 20 yards away. And I'll just wait again. He'll come back out. Come back out if we hold still. On him, take the safety off. I'm not ready. Just wait for me. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Shoot him. You missed him. Shoot him again. Why not? He's right there. Shoot him. No, you missed him again. Hold still. Holy cow, two misses. Wow. Two shots, wow. That's crazy, buddy. I can't believe it. Yeah, I know. I'm sure you did, buddy. This was crazy. We came up to the top of this hill where we'd heard him this morning. Nothing to be seen. So we sat down and called anyway. Waited about 15 minutes. It's all cold and snowing. And we're not really dressed that warm. So then we start picking up our stuff, and all of a sudden over the hill comes this Tom, and we just hold still. And he walks off down into the woods. Then we get the bullet back in the gun. We get all set up. I mean, he had walked by like 15 steps from us. And so he walks into the woods, and then I start calling. We brought him back out. And then Maggie shoots at about 30 yards. TSS 410 TriStar semi-automatic. The gun misfires again, same as last year. Just got a click. He works back into the woods. We take the gun down, put a new shell in it, come back up, call him back up. Boom, boom. Maggie misses 2 shots at about 40 yards. Unbelievable hunt. What do you think, Maggie?
Good. I'm cold.
Got some buck fever, big time. Initially, we had the decoy out in that field. Then we had picked him up and we were ready to go. Thankfully, when we were pulling up our stuff, he came over the hill. We were holding still. When we saw him, we were lucky. That was crazy. He was drumming. He came up and gobbled.
It was a really good thing that Dad forgot to buckle his bottom of his seat. Because I was buckling it and then he saw it. So we just held still.
We got lucky. He didn't come over the hill when we were moving. What do you think? Get a little nervous there.
I was just shivering so much.
I know. Still shivering.